Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Nintendo Switch, so let's get started. To draw this Switch, let's first start by drawing the tablet area. So we're just going to start off by drawing a rectangle. So I'm just going to come right here and start. And I'm not drawing too big because I have a bunch of straight lines I need to draw. So I'm just trying to draw as small as possible. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to start to go across. So definitely use a ruler at home if you like. I'm just going to go across. I'm just going to look at my camera for help here and make sure I'm kind of going straight. So about right there, I'll stop. I don't want it too long. And then from there, I'm going to come straight down. Vertical lines are a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure it's about the same area, just like the other side, and then I'm going to connect it. So now that I have the center rectangle drawn in, we can come in here and draw the controllers. So we're just going to continue this straight line. So I'm just going to come this way since it's easier for my hand, and it's not going to be too far out. So about right there, I'm just going to stop, and then I'm going to round off this corner and come straight down. So I'm just going to follow this straight line right here. And about right there, I'm going to start to round it off again. Come back down to the others, to my bottom, I mean. Just like the top. And go straight. So same thing over here. Go straight across, following this line. And then about right there, once again, we're going to start to round off and come straight down, following this line. And then about right there, once again, start to round it off. Back to this line right here. And connect. There, the main shape is pretty much done. And now let's come in here for some details. So the first thing I'm going to do is come in here and draw another rectangle following my first rectangle. So see a little bit better. Go all the way across, and just like the other side, come straight down and across. So like I said, if you care for these lines to be nice and straight, definitely use a straight edge if you have one at home. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this cute little Nintendo Switch to life. So I'm going to come in here, if you like. You can add some eyes to make it extra cute. So I'm going to come pretty wide, so about right here. Draw another circle. And I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead in between the eyes, and I'm going to draw a fun smile. So it just kind of goes up, cap off the ends, and if you like, you can add a little tongue that sticks out. And a little line in the center. And let's come above the eyes, and we're going to draw a curve above each eye. Then from there, let's go ahead and add all the details to the controls. So on this side, we're going to start with the main circle right here, the big circle towards the top. And then there's this little rectangle right here. And so then in the center of this is going to be 4 circles. So straight under and right across. And same thing over here. And then you can come in here and there's going to be little arrows in here. Triangles, I mean, going different directions. Probably might not even see it because when you color it in, you can color it in a dark gray, then maybe you can see it. And then there's a kind of a square right here. And then on the edge, before I forget, is another corner button right here. So I'm just going to pop out following my curve. And I'll just go ahead and shade that in. And then at the top right here is another little part that comes out. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the other side. So it's kind of the opposites flip. So the button over here, the big one, is going to be about right here. And same thing now to draw the 4 small ones. So right in the center, about right here. Go straight up. And then on the sides right here. And another one. And in here is going to be the letters X, Y, B, and A. And then right here is going to be a plus. So I'm just going to use my Sharpie to thicken it up. Plus sign. And then at the bottom right here is another small circle. A circle in the center. And if you like, I'm just going to lightly draw another circle inside here for the joystick part. And then right here in the corner, just like the other side, we're going to thicken this part up. And then, then I'm going to come in here and shade this in all black. So only this part is the screen part right here. So there, hope I've helped you draw a Nintendo Switch and you love how this one turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.